Why don't you go look at your squirrels?
What's that?
What's that? Look, you can put it up here. Put it up there.
Put it on this. Look, Maddie, watch.
You can color a picture.
Hey, Maddie, look. Watch.
You want to color a picture?
Color right there. Look. There you go. Hey.
Good job.
Right there. Just one, you might can only hold one at a time. Oh, you're gonna do two.
Oh.
You're sitting on one.
Hi, Nana. Color a picture. Green.
We're gonna go.
Okay. Color. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Dada. Come color a picture. Ooh. That's pretty, baby. You got lots of colors. Here, keep them in here.